Hello students, welcome to online school. We are going to sing the poem of standard 1st of Maharashtra State Board and the name of the poem is Rain. So let's start. Rain. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Now look and say, rain falling around field, tree, umbrella, ship, sea. Now children, name the things that you see in the picture. What you all can see? See, there are clouds, raindrops, umbrellas, field, trees, ships and sea. Now, where does the rain fall? See, the rain falls on the field and tree and on the umbrellas and on the ships. Now, where do you see the ship? We can see the ship at sea. Now you all repeat the poem, and if you like the poem, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification of further poem. Thank you.